What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. We are out at Thunderhill Raceway West. Right here, got the M4. Wow, this is a super wide angle. Sorry about that. As far as new additions, if you guys have not seen, I did build this front splitter here. So this sticks out about 6 inches. It is chassis mounted and pretty strong, so that's good. It's made of aluminite. Got the MCS 2As on the Nanking AR1 295s in the front, 315s in the rear. G-Lock R18 brake pads up front with the gyro disc rotors down there, which actually might be switching up to 034. Hit me up and they're making a 2-piece. Not to say there's anything wrong with these, but I'm gonna try their stuff out because why not? Got the Bimmer World GT More wing on the back here, leveled out to make like the least amount of aero as possible. Running 800 inch-pound springs in the front and 900s in the rear. I think I need to bump up the rear. We got the cage in here, Studio RSR, those little Rin Sport guys. We got the Rin Scott. I don't know why I always say Rin Sport. That's a Porsche thing. Rin Scott mounts. Got the Sparco Evo. The cage. I did also add the CS Plus map from Boot Mod. So get a little bit more power to keep up with this 1LE Camaro over here because he's in the same class and he makes a lot of power, so I need to beat him. 62 degrees outside, higher PSIs. I think I'm starting at like 26. Got the Garmin in the car, traction control fully off, Sport Plus mode, steering in the comfort setting, and we're gonna send it. So should feel pretty good. Last time I was here, I didn't have the dampers really set up very well. Right now, I'd say I'm like midway there. I probably still need to spring up in the rear. I do have the front aerial on the car now. I had the rear wing on before. Actually ran a PB last time with the wing off, so we'll kind of see if we're pushing still, if we got a lot of understeer or whatever. But yeah, depending, if I'm pushing a lot, I'll just literally just take the wing off. And then we have the front splitter. I don't know how that would balance out. Obviously I'd have a little bit more down front, so it might oversteer a lot more. So I don't know, might try that out. But shooting for like 120s or sub 120s, that would be really cool. We'll see. All right, guys, showing off for the camera guy right here with a nice little drift, power slide, smokage. Front end kind of wasn't feeling it right there, but yeah, fun. Got to get some good shots for Aries photo. So right over here, over to Dorito, just on that warm-up lap. You can already watch this. Right, front understeer. I had to send it for for Apex photo. Apex, not Apex. Anyways, so getting some heat in the tires right here. This corner, I know I need to lean on the aero a little bit more. Obviously, this is a warm-up lap, so it is what it is. Also, I'm thinking right here, I need to take this corner a little bit wider and possibly even just try taking this in third gear instead of dropping down in the second, using that torque to pull me out. When I'm in second gear, it just tends to blow the tires off way too easily. This is a fun little section right here. Hard to get down the traction here as well. Got to use just enough throttle to not do a big old power slide and a big old drift right here. Try to put down the power out of the last turn before the straightaway. And here we go on our initial hot lap. So I want you guys to listen to the front tires here. You hear that? That's fronts. And then right here, balancing, man. We're just getting that push. We're getting a lot of understeer there, and I want to go faster through that section. See, I'm already plus 22 on the timer right there, plus 29. Now I want to be on like my first or second lap in the green. I want to be doing PBs basically. So through this section too, you can see that I am pushing quite a bit. Let off the throttle a little bit. This section too is flat out. I think I brake here a little bit too much. And you can see I'm just pushing that front end out, trying to get down a good time. A little bit too much throttle there, so you got plus 54. Over the top of this blind crest, super fun corner right here, about 90. Boom, right over the top. Late brake, turn in. Track out to the left. Try to get that power down. Kind of balance the throttle here. Don't go too fast, don't give it too much throttle, give it a little too much. Just slight bit of oversteer, and then straight down. straightaway. Cut turn 1, as much as I can. Accidentally dropped it down in the second gear. I like to be in third gear there. And really, this corner, I know I can make up some time. When I have no aero on the car, it actually feels better there. I'm just able to balance the car a little bit better, with just more oversteer bias. And up here, the car feels really settled. I need to go through that area just a little bit quicker, get some quicker lap times. But through this section, I'm pushing. I think I need to lower the front end of the car. You can see I'm getting a lot of understeer there. Maybe that will help with the front splitter effect. Not 100% sure, but it does seem like there's a possibility the front splitter could be actually letting more air underneath and possibly be working in the opposite direction, kind of like pushing up instead of down. So that's something. I just don't totally want to lower the car in the front in case I go off, because if I go off, I don't destroy the sport. So you can see here, a little bit of oversteer, trying to put that power down, getting a little heat in these tires. Yeah, we're trying to put it down here. Plus 32, so pretty good. I think this was my PB, like a 122.30, at least for this section of the track. I think right here I might do another little. I did a little flick for the camera guy. We're just trying to balance the throttle there. So you can see I'm not even in the PV section right there after that. Usually after that first part of the section, track, I like to be in the green. You can see I'm like plus 62, so that's over half of a second. Just pushing, just waiting to get back on throttle, just trying to balance it out. Now later on in the day, I did take the wing off and tried that out, and that was an interesting experience. I'll have a video on that as well. Just narrowing down, it's just a very interesting thing to play around with. Here, little hot. That was actually really good. You can see I didn't spin the tires there coming out. Yeah, a little over 90 miles an hour over the top, I think. Coming down, heavy brake, right turn in, hug that inside corner, try to go to the left. A little bit of oversteer, just balancing a little bit of a slide. Right through here, a little bit of a push in the front end, trying to come out. You can already see I'm almost like a second plus. So right now we're probably going to run like a 23 something, which is not amazing. I mean, it's good. 22.8, it's still pretty dang good, but basically you're shooting for sub 130s out here. You're down in the low 20s, that's hauling. Did a little drift here for the camera guy. The front end was hooking up. It was just being weird. That first part, the front end kind of washed out, and I'm getting back a little traction, trying to get a nice little drift for Cody. And right there, you can see that is my buddy that actually rolled his car on Dorito. He went through there a little bit too fast, got some quick oversteer, and yeah, not a great day. So right here, I'm trying to show the flag station, hey man, look over here, there's a rollover. We need a red flag. We need a red flag. So he gets that out there in a second here. And yeah, that pretty much ends this session. He was totally okay. No medical ride or anything like that. Car was definitely totaled. I know you guys have seen probably a couple of my reels on Instagram. And yeah, that's where that tire came from and that wheel. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me at Blake's Garage. Yeah, roll over on Dorito right there, not good. We're just gonna end the session right here. I kind of had to show the flagger right there because that's not good, not good. When you see something like that happen, it's best to stop so we can get the emergency out here. Cause that's not good. So it says 21.99 best. I did a 122.30. Front is just pushing. Man, oh man, I'm probably gonna pop the wing off. See how it goes. Honestly, I did a couple oversteer things there because homie from Aries is right there, and I had to get some good photos. Hopefully, snap some good ones. The front end is like This car has so much grip that it's literally kind of hard to keep going in the front, and then the front just kind of washed out, and I'm like, oh, sick. That's awesome. Mid corner and whatnot. So heck yeah. All right, so they are uprighting, or they're over there right now, so that's good. All right, guys, so that pretty much ends out the video. Look forward to seeing number 2 video of this. So yeah, I did pretty good for the day. Took home first place podium in race class. So thanks, guys, for watching. Later, and wrench on.